So this is from the amines chapter. So please try to solve this question. Then we will discuss it. Do you know what is LiLH4 do? What is the property of it? Hello.
Sir, can you repeat that?
What is the working of this LiLH4?
Yes, sir. It's a reducing
Reducing
agent, right?
agent. Yes. So we have to reduce this. Means OH is not reduced, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Only reduction will take place for this cyanide. So when you will reduce this, what will happen with cyanide? Try to remember, we have 4 options available here. So like OH, CHO, NH2 and NH2 is available there. What could be the
NH2?
NH2 will be forming, okay?
Yes, sir.
When you will reduce with LiH4, LiH4 one of the best reducing agent. So it will reduce cyanide into NH2, okay?
Yes, sir.
So option A and B are gone, right?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the answer? Final answer?
One second. Sir, is it a C?
Yeah, it is C. Good. It will form COH, na? And what is this? H3O plus, highly concentrated acid. So elimination will happen, hai na?
Yes.
So that is why B is the correct option. Good. Sorry, C is the correct option. Okay. Now try to solve this question. If H2SO4 will not be present, then only OH will be the correct answer, hai na?
Yes, sir.
Any idea what is happening here?
No, sir. Is it? No, sir.
Actually, this is a very good question, and let me tell you, more than 3 times this question has appeared in this JEE exam, and it can come in later years also. So, have you heard this term? Hoffman bromide degradation reaction.
Yes, sir.
So what happens there is, just for the minutes, just any idea?
Br bromide something. I mean, a bromide is added.
Then what happens?
I don't remember, sir.
Achha, achha. See, very special type of reactions happen is what happens is this do you means got any idea from the degradation word? Like Hoffman was the scientist, है ना?
Yes, yes,
so we can't discuss anything on it. So he worked on it. So bromide degradation means bromine would be there, है ना? So bromine is there, है ना? In the
Yes, sir.
second one. And degradation, what is degraded here? Let me give you a hint. Carbon is degraded.
Yeah.
One of the carbon is going out of the chain. So that is
Yes, sir.
why the chain number of carbon in the chain will reduce by 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the specialty of our this Hoffman bromide degradation.
Yes, sir.
No? So this is a very big one. Let me give an idea about this Hoffman bromide degradation. Here is like CH3 COCl. Okay? Sorry, NH2 is there. And what happens is when you react with bromine with any base, NaOH or KOH, it doesn't matter. There should be some base. Enough. This mixture, it can be written in exam as NaOBr or KOBr. Actually, these are in these way questions has came in exam. That is why I'm talking about this in detail, because there are high chances that it can come in exam. Then what happens when it reacts? This carbon will be going out, okay, and it will be forming as CH3 NH2, okay, and the rest are the byproducts. We don't have to worry about them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the way in which carbon is gone. So that is why this is known as Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. Okay, very important. Okay, so this second step is Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. ठीक है जी?
हाँ, sir.
So in first step, alcoholic NH3 is there. So what happened? This will attack and see. I'm just writing it down. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the chain, and when we will react with alcoholic NH3, so this Cl will be gone, and it will form like this. NH2 is there, okay, and the rest is same. Okay, and now this NaOH Br2 is Hoffman bromide reaction. So we will remove this C double bond O. ठीक है जी?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रही बात? तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon is there, so we will form only 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and H2 is attached here. So Hoffman bromide degradation reaction is done, है ना? And finally we are using H2O, है ना? तो nucleophilic reaction will take place, and OH will be there. Yes or no? है ना?
Yes, sir.
आ गई बात समझ में?
हाँ, sir.
तो ये हो गया. तो आगे जब फिर से again when this question will come, we will discuss hofmann bromide degradation.
Can I write that down in Ilika? Done, sir.
देखिए यहाँ पे एक स्टेप छूट गया in case you haven't seen. What does this NaNO2HCl do? Remember anything?
Sir, it will remove the carbon, maybe?
No. Only carbon is removed from this process only. Okay? Never
Okay.
remove the carbon. Actually, nitrogen is removed from here. Na2 plus HCl. This you may remember diazotization. This came in in other chapters as well. So in this, what happens? This NH2 will convert into this chain. Let me draw 1, 2, 3, 4. This is attached with nitrogen. So N2Cl will form. Okay. This N2Cl is a very good leaving group. Hai? So just this leaves and this OH comes and attack. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please write this, because every step is important here. This was actually a good question, very good question. It comprises lots of steps and lots of background is to be known and understood. Remember, whenever you see NaNO2 plus HCl, this one will be the final result. This is very important as well. This is the diazotization, very, very important. One of the way to form haloarenes is by diazotization also. In haloalkanes and haloarenes you may have learned. Done?
Yes, sir.
From diazotization, you should know that when N2Cl is formed, you just you have to take Cu plus Cu and any HX, HCl or HBr or HI, and when you will heat, what happens? This will form. Haloarine will be forming, and nitrogen will be released. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Write this one. This is known as Gattermann reaction. Have heard this term? Gattermann reaction?
Yeah, yes, sir, but I don't remember where it did.
Acha, please write it down. And also the same thing, the brother of Gattermann is Sandmeyer. When you react with same thing, just a little with a little difference, Cu2 Br2 with HBr, or same Cu2 Cl2 HCl. When you do this, again haloarine will form. Since this is his brother, Sandmeyer's brother, so the product will be same. ठीक है? Sandmeyer reaction. So you can understand it by name reaction as well. Gattermann reaction and Sandmeyer reaction, they are nearly same, है ना? The product is also same, the reactant is also same, the reagent is different. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In both you have to give heat, and that is it. So Sandmeyer reaction, this reaction is clear, है ना? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलिए नोट कर लिया?
नहीं सर, 1 second.
कर लीजिए, थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Done, sir.
ठीक है. Solve this question. Aliphatic, and you understand what is aliphatic?
Yes, sir. Normal carbon chains.
Normal
Aromatic.
हाँ. So what do you think?
Sir, 1 second.
Don't be worried about option D, है ना?
Sir, is it A?
It's A. What is A?
Sir, because the nitrogen atom has 2 hydrogens in the primary amines, but only 1 hydrogen in the secondary amines.
Then?
Because of that, the connection is stronger.
So
Molecular
more hydrogen, so more connection, है ना? So more intermolecular bonding. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now solve this question. So this is semi-carbazone. Na? You may know not know na semi-carbazone.
No, sir.
So actually, because this word is mentioned in NCERT, na, that is why they have asked this question about semi-carbazone. So what is this? Actually, this was in the question. That is why I have. It is like try to remember it like this ketone, in which it is not bonded by carbon but nitrogen. Okay, like this. Okay, this is normal ketone, but it has been bonded with one more nitrogen group. Okay, so this is semi-carbazide. Okay, It is asking about semicarbazole with acetone molecule. Okay. So what happens is you bring one acetone here. Okay. This is acetone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is semicarbazide. Okay. And you bring a acetone here and there is a reaction. Okay. So when you will do a reaction, what happens? You will remove this H2O. Okay. H2O will get removed. Okay. And this one will be the answer. NHN. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So semicarbazide reacted with acetone. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Try to solve this question. Which will be the next chapter you want to discuss?
Sir, can it be any chapter is fine?
Like which would be helpful for your school exam as well, so that
So
you can do
kinetic.
homework also, and you can revise also. That is why I'm asking.
Sir, kinetics or electrochemistry?
Okay. Currently, kinetics chapter is over in your this.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do kinetics, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
it would not be burdensome for you. ठीक है. Try this question. Let me give you a hint so that it would be for you to understand. When you see anything toxic now, and you have there are certain molecules, compounds in organic chemistry which is mentioned in NCERT, which are toxic, and one of them is this isonitrile. Okay, or your nitrile compound.
Yes, sir.
Nitrile compound. Okay, you understand what is nitrile compound?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Any carbon, any compound with nitrogen, any carbonyl compound.
No, this this one is the nitrile. Okay, N is bonded with any alkyl group. Okay, with carbon with three bonded three yeah, bond carbon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm. So I think B is known that it is like something like this. Okay. So it could be nitrile or isonitrile. Nitrile.
Yes, sir.
Mm. So when isonitrile is present in acid, it get oxidized and form RNH2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what should be the answer? C, answer is C. See how it is. Like first of all, this is a toxic compound. Okay. So nitrile or isonitrile could be the answer. Acha, toxic, the isonitrile is only toxic, not nitrile. So from isonitrile, you have to decompose it. Okay. So in nature, decomposition takes place first by acid. So when you react with acid, it will form this RNH2. Okay. And how isonitrile is formed? Isonitrile can only be formed by 1 degree amine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is is this chapter done in your class?
And yes, sir, it's done.
It's done now. So it may you may have known that एक सेकंड पता नहीं है कि नहीं बट 1 डिग्री अमीन जो होते हैं 1 डिग्री अमीन गिव्स आइसोनाइट्राइल है ना and this thing is known that 1 degree amine gives isonitrile है ना so only this is the option where primary amine and isonitrile is given and none other option is given like this. So this is the correct option. Okay. ठीक है.
हाँ sir.
Just note this. 1 degree amine gives isonitrile in presence of CHCl3 and KOH. And the specialty of isonitrile is it is toxic in nature. That is it. ठीक है.
हाँ sir.
Now check out this question. This question related to this question, we have 2-3 more questions. This is one of the after this diazotization, where it is diazotization reaction and Hoffman degradation reaction. This is one of the most important topic here is this one. Try to remember this topic. Do you remember this?
1 second.
Do you remember Heisenberg test?
Sir, which one?
Heisenberg test.
No, sir, I don't remember.
Okay, this is very important. It may again come in your exam. Heisenberg test. Heisenberg test. So this test is useful in this chapter only for this is because this is for amine only. So 1 degree amine, we will differentiate between 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, and 3 degree amine. Let me tell you, with 3 degree amine, Heisenberg test doesn't give anything. No reaction. No reaction takes place. Okay. With 1 degree amine, PPT will form. PPT will form into with 2 degree amine also PPT will form. But how to differentiate between 1 degree and 2 degree amine? This PPT is dissolvable in NaOH. Okay, and this PPT is insoluble in NaOH, and 3 degree amine do not react with this. So this is the Heisenberg test. This is very much important for JEE point of view. Okay, Heisenberg test. This is also mentioned in NCERT. This is the important one. Okay, kindly note this.
Yes, sir. I'm writing it down.
Uh-huh. What is the reagent here? The reagent here is this. Let me know when you are done. Done.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the structure. So this is para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. See, on para position, ortho meta para. On para position, we have toluene. You know what is toluene? This is toluene, right? Anna? This
Yes,
is
sir.
toluene. Yes or no? So on
Yes,
para
sir.
position, we have toluene, and this is the sulfonyl chloride. So this is the Heisenberg reagent. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, and yes, चलो अब try to solve this question. हाँ, try to solve this question. See, in this question, it is given benzene sulfonyl chloride. है ना?
Yes.
So this will also act as a Heisenberg reagent. Okay. So solve this question in that way only, which you have written earlier, which we have done earlier in just the next question, the last question. Hmm. What should be the answer?
Sir, 2 minutes.
It's very easy. Why you're confused? You can check on this table.
Yes, sir. 1 second, I'll tell you.
I think you are busy somewhere. That's why you are not solving. You have solved some good questions.
No, sir, I'm not busy. I'm writing it down.
Acha, you are writing the options.
No, sir, I'm
Okay.
writing a question.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So answer is uh, this D.
D. Why?
Because so the Hinsberg regent shows that if we use this the dissolvable one, right?
Yeah, dissolving one. So since it is dissolving, so this is the
One
first degree
degree
amine
amine.
will the answer.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
This
Yes, sir.
is a 2 degree. This is a 3 degree. This is a 2 degree. है ना? ठीक.
Yes, sir.
चलिए solve करिए इसको. See, there are lots of questions through Heisenberg. Na? I have collected it so that from the so that you can get full understanding of this type of question. This is one level, above. What is the understanding you are getting in this question?
So that it should be oh my god, it should be an 3D tertiary amine.
Since it is not reacting, the product in all the options, the answer will be which is getting 3 degree, 3 degree amine, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So see, let me tell you. Let's solve this question. So in this question, NaHG, this is also reducing agent. This is also
Sir,
reducing.
it's
Uh,
D, right?
D, Delhi.
Ha.
No, D is not the correct one because this is a good reducing agent, है ना? So what
Oh,
happens? This will remove this and will form NH2. ठीक है? This will also form NH2. ठीक है? This will form also NH2. What happens with this now? This is also a reducing agent, but not a very good reducing agent. So what happens in this with this option? We have a benzene ring here, and it will form like this. This form imino. So this is not a primary amine or secondary amine. So this will not react with imino group also, and thus this will be the correct option. Okay.
yes, sir.
बात समझ में आ गई?
Ha, sir.
These are also very good reducing agent. That is why they are reducing cyanide into NH2. ठीक है? Solve this question. See again, there's the same question. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Sorry, see, in this one, Heisenberg reagent is this only. Means you don't know you don't have to, attach a methyl group here. Okay, this is the Heisenberg reagent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Check. So in this question, when methyl group is attached there, so the product will be same, no problem at all. Okay, it will not affect anything. Just examiner was confusing. So what should be the answer?
Sir, D,
D, Delhi.
Delhi.
Correct.
Yeah.
Good. So obviously, since this is insoluble, है reaction is happening and insoluble. So this is 2 degree amine will the answer, है Solve this question. So you have seen in only in the 2 years, 4 questions came through Heisenberg, है So this is an important one. So that's why we have done this question. So what could be the answer?
Sir, LiLH4, ALH4.
Because this is the best and strongest reducing agent here. So this will
Yes.
be the most proper answer, है
Huh.
NaBH4 could be the answer, but when we have LiH4, why we will select NaBH4? You know? Solve this
Yes.
question.
Sir, A.
No is not the correct answer. So how you will decide which one will be the best basic and least basic one?
Where nitrogen like has more lone pairs, I think, or like can donate more.
See, how you will decide which molecule is more acidic and less acidic?
The presence of hydrogen atoms.
Obviously, hydrogen is present in each and every option. For example, we are taking, I think we have done question like that. So each have hydrogen in it. Okay. So then what shall be the next step? Have I told you
The
about the
other one,
conjugate base stability? Check the conjugate
no,
base. Achha. Achha. I think I haven't taught you. Like we have this COOH. Okay, we have this COOH. Okay, so what happens when we will remove H? Then this will form, yes or no? Boliye.
yes, sir.
So this is acid and this is its conjugate base. Boliye. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Conjugate base. So if conjugate base is stable, the more the conjugate base stability, more will be the acidic nature of the molecule. Let me write it for you. Stability of conjugate base is proportional to acidic nature of its acidic nature of its acid, of its parent acid. Okay, how this statement can be defended, because if H is removed, we will compare it. Just a minute. When H is removed, this will be the product. If this is stable, means H can be removed easily. When H can be removed easily, means acidic nature is good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let's compare which one is more stable. So we have COO minus here and CO minus here also. So what happens in this case? This this negative charge will resonate in the whole benzene ring. Okay, so charge distribution is there, and
Yes,
here
sir.
charge is localized. Charge localized. So when charge is more distributed, it brings stability, or it decreases stability.
It brings stability.
It brings stability because charge is delocalized. Delocalized. Charge is distributed, so this conjugate base is stable than this conjugate base. So which one will be acidic, A or B? Acidic nature of A is greater or B?
A.
No, B is greater na, because
Oh,
this
yeah, B. Yeah, B.
this is more acidic than this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
have you understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
This concept is very important, in the introduction of organic chemistry and acidic nature in class 11th, and this is applied in class 12th as well. This that is why I have introduced this. Okay, now let's solve this question. So what we will do with the basic thing, for to compare basic nature of compound, we will donate the electron. Okay, and we will see after donation which is more stable. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So like for example, when we are going for A, so we have, I will give you time to note, don't worry. So we have this CH3COO, and I'm just writing this C2H5. Actually what happens, this is lone pair there. This lone pair is, without making its conjugate base, we can compare that this lone pair is resonating, right? It is involved in the resonance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This carbon is sp2 hybridized, so the resonance is taking place here.
Yes, sir.
Let's draw for in this one. There is no resonance here because we have sp2 hybrid, sp3 hybridized carbon. In the third one, you can see, and this one is, see, this is a little unique. What happened here is we have this NH CO C2H5 CO X COCH3. Can you see this structure? Boliye.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this lone pair is being delocalized this way also, both side?
Yes, sir.
So this one is more delocalized than A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In this, there is no delocalization, this one, and in this one also. Sorry, I made a mistake. There are three groups, na? And in this one only 2 groups, 1H. So now are all these 4 diagrams clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So without making its conjugate acid, we can directly comment on the least basic one. In the C option, we have seen that these lone pair are very much delocalized. They are heavily involved in the resonance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So lone pair is not available here. So that is why this is the least basic one. Basicity has been decreased because of resonance. Okay?
Sir.
This concept will definitely come in the next question or next to next question. Don't worry. Okay?
Yes,
बोलिए
sir.
बात समझ में आए? So you want to
Yes.
note it?
Yes, sir. I want to.
Note this as well. This is these type of question. This one, not this one.